How to fix ChatGPT Preauth Playintegrity verification failed error. In order to fix that, you may follow up this step. So the first thing you can do is open up Play Store onto your device, on your Android device, and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. After tapping on it, from this menu, go over to the option called Play Protect. And then once you head over there, if it shows that device is uncertified, this indicates the root cause. So make sure to solve that issue. Otherwise, what you can do is, if you're having that issue on ChatGPT, you may try unrooting your device and recheck the Play Protect certification. If unrooting is not an option, you may clear Play Store data. So for that, you may head over to Settings. And then after opening up Settings, scroll down, go over to the option called Apps. And then from Apps as well, you may scroll down and go search for Google Play Store. Tap on the search bar at the top right. And then type in Play Store. After locating up Play Store, you will be finding these options. Now scroll down, go over to Storage. And after that, go ahead and clear the data. And reopen the Play Store and check if the certification status has changed in your Play Store or not. After doing so, after ensuring that your Play Protect certification is certified, you may go ahead and uninstall ChatGPT. For that, you may long press on it and you should be finding the uninstall button. After that is done, head over to Play Store and then go ahead and search for ChatGPT here. And then try installing it again onto your device and attempt to log in again. If you're using any kind of VPNs, avoid using those. For now, you may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.